The fate of the Labour Party is still uncertain, as the Nigeria Labour Congress has insisted on an all-inclusive national convention for the party. The party's presidential candidate in the 2023 election, Peterobi, was at the Labour House to continue his mediation in the conflict between the NLC and the Labour Party.
Hey! Hello, sir.
The meeting between Peterobi and the National Transition Committee, set up by the Political Commission of the Nigeria Labour Congress, was held behind closed doors and lasted 3 hours. After the crucial meeting, Peterobi promised to engage all the relevant stakeholders in the camps of the NLC and the Labour Party, saying that the crisis will soon come to an end.
Well, you recall that on last week, last week, 28th of June, 25th of June, sorry. You recall that on Tuesday, 25th of June, I was in the Labour Party headquarters to meet, to commence the discussion about the issue of resolving Labour Party family problems. And I did mention that the group which within our family is known as Transition Committee, I'm going to meet them. And that is why I'm here, to meet them. All in the same discussion which we've commenced.
So what is the outcome of these hours? What is the outcome of these hours of meeting?
Well, that we've deliberated on what we think we need to, for me, I've listened to this side, I've listened to this side, and we'll go on consulting within the stakeholders, which involves a lot of people.
So why
wait forward?
Excellency, these issues on the lingering crisis in the Labour Party has been for a long time.
It's not for a long time.
And since 2023, this has been on. And no, you have been accused of standing in defense. That's the reason that this issue has not been resolved. Can you tell us or defend this?
I'm still on the fence. From that fence, I'll resolve it.
Preparation to at what time do you resolve this issue?
We'll resolve it.
Preparation toward 2027.
Yes.
The Nigeria Labour Congress NLC, which still holds the party's registration certificate, is insisting that Julius Abure steps down as the party's national chairman.
You know, this meeting is as a result of what happened on the 25th of June, when it is in fulfillment of his place as the leader of the party that he is going to effect the amicable resolution of the issue. And like he said, discussions have commenced and they are ongoing.
Okay, right now, where
The conflict in the Labour Party is the fallout of the 2024 National Convention held in Anambra State by the Julius Abure-led executive, which the NLC had described as illegal.